Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's detailing tips for Lexus. Something that I learned over the years, and I'm going to detail my vehicle. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos, and really push that thumbs up. And let's get started. First of all, you want to maintain your vehicle and keep it nice and clean, not only mechanically, but also the interior and exterior as well too. So we have bird poop and stuff stuck on the sheet metal that could corrode the sheet metal or eat through the racks and the clear coat faster than if you kept it nice and clean. So you definitely want to get a cleaner, like even just cleaner water, that'd be good. Water, microfiber, or towel. Or you could get one of these Meguiar's Ultra Waterless Wash and Wax. And that works great. It does leave a scent. So, just check that out. If I put in the description, I'm not making any money on these promotion. I'm just telling you what I use in particular just to maintain your vehicle. And yes, I did a video on the trim piece over here, and I actually put it on and it still stays on pretty good. And this Good Guys Plastic Restorer, I found this one works best. Makes the vehicle come back to new condition. If you notice that, the trim piece looks more like it's supposed to look like when it's first new. Next, I have the Sprayway glass cleaner. This one leaves the smell ammonia free. That means you can use it on the tint as well, interior, and it cleans a lot of the butts and stuff like that on the windshield, and also works great inside as well too. So just keep that in mind. It's a foam that you apply, and you can apply on all the windows, even tinted one. So you don't want to use Windex because it's ammonia. So ammonia free glass cleaner will work, and this spray away works great. So notice that when you spray it, it does go everywhere, and you want to use probably a towel or something to clean it up. So that's the spray away glass cleaner. Also put a link in the description if you're interested in checking it out. I think these are pretty much the essentials that you need. You don't want to spray it over here in the infotainment. Don't spray any household detergent on the infotainment screen over here. I've found a number of vehicles at CarMax that had this damage, and they're using household items or even any spray. So be careful in the infotainment, because this one could be very expensive if you spray anything on the infotainment. So but you do want to make it nice and clean. Maybe microfiber water, dampen it. So the other thing I'll mention, if you want to keep the leather in great shape or even vinyl, get this 303 3-in-1 complete leather, care, prevent repeals, and rinse free, that is. And cleans, conditions, and protects. Very good product, and you don't want to use a whole lot, of course. You can spray it on a microfiber towel and just wipe it. And also you probably want to wear some gloves when you do all these tasks as well too. So you don't want to get it all over your hands and smell in your hands as well. So that's, keeping the vehicle nice and clean and neat, not only prolongs the life of the interior and exterior, but also keeps up the value and the condition. So if we were to sell it, or even just want to drive it, and enjoy it, that's definitely worthwhile. So it's just something I like to suggest. If you have a comment for other products, you can put it in the description. I didn't find any good wheel cleaners yet, for example, so you can put it in. I had another video on cleaning the rims. Those work well if you have really dirty rims and such. Also, as a bonus, I'll post a few links in the description. You could get money back when you buy stuff like Rakuten, and check that out. If you're interested in joining, you get $30 referral. Hopefully you liked the video surprise today. I really appreciate a thumbs up, comment to share, please leave it below, and I'll see you next time. Please remember to subscribe. Bye.